following proof of concept demonstrates how to use a chatbot to create and interact with business alerts. The objective of this demonstration will show our ability to collect data, validate data, and transfer data. This data is the business alert information. For this example, we will be using Excel as our target system, and we have simplified the business rules. We will look at three scenarios. First, we will look at how to find an existing business alert. Second, we will look at how to update an existing business alert. And third, we will look at how to create a new business alert. Now let's look at our process. First, data collection. The data collection is done through a chatbot using a chat interface. The chatbot is triggered by calling a defined utterance. The chatbot has the ability to recognize text and select certain keywords to understand how to fulfill a request. Once all the information is collected, the data is then validated against our simplified business rules. Lastly, the information is passed to be processed to an RPA robot. We will briefly talk about the technical architecture. On the front end, we have a chat service. For our example, we will be using Slack. The next piece is our chatbot, which consists of two components, Amazon Lex and Amazon Lambda. Amazon Lex has the ability to understand text, while Amazon Lambda can do text fulfillment. Amazon Lambda, through an API call, will initiate an RPA bot. The RPA bot will manipulate our Excel file. The manipulation will have three different choices. Amazon Lambda will tell the RPA bot to either create, read, or update information found in the target Excel file. I will now demonstrate our three scenarios. First, I will find a business alert. Second, I will update an existing business alert. And third and finally, I will create a brand new business alert. To initiate the chatbot, I will need to use a sample utterance. To find a business alert, the utterance that I will need to use is, I need to find a business alert. The chatbot now asks me for the number of the business alert that I want to look up. It now returns to me the business alert information that it found. Next, I will update this business alert that we found. I would change the account manager name. It will again ask me for the business alert number. Next, it will ask me what field I want to update. I will choose Account Manager. It asks me for the new Account Manager name. Now that it alerts me that the business alert has been updated, I would need to find it again to see the updated information. Here you can see that the account manager field has been updated. Lastly, I will create a new business alert. First, I would need to put in a description. The description consists of the customer name, product number, and lastly, the product name. Next, I will need to put in an account manager. Now it asks me for the action level. Here is where our business rules come into play. Based off the action level, I will have to put in certain fields that are required. Here, the action level low requires that I put in a valid launch date. This action level of low also requires that I put in a customer contact name. Once all the required fields are satisfied, the business alert will be created. Here I will look up the information to ensure that it has been created. I will again do this by finding the business alert. Here you can see the business alert that we just created. The business alert has the account manager of Joe Hill, a action level of low, and a customer contact person of John Miller.